My name is Jeff Haxton. I'm a certified financial planner and Dave Ramsey Smart Vestor Pro. The area of financial advisement I enjoy the most, I love working with people. So I like working with people with finances, which can be complicated a lot, helping making them simple to achieve their financial dreams. The personal characteristics that I have that make me good at my job is I'm a very good communicator. So if you ask me a question, I will give you the most straightforward answer that I can. With finances, a lot of times things are very complicated. I will try to make it as simple and clear as possible. What differentiates Crore Financial from other financial planning firms is we have a really nice family atmosphere. So we have a team of 10 different advisors, we have over a dozen support staff, and we all work together to make sure our clients' needs are taken care of. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing a client succeed. Whether that's they're retiring comfortably, they're paying off their house, they put their kids through college, whatever it may be, the joy on their face to know they accomplished one of the hardest things they wanted to puts a smile on my face.